How to use a disability insurance and properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. A disability insurance in New Zealand is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet many policyholders make mistakes that limit coverage or even jeopardize claims. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is they are not. One common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some policies cover only your own occupation, while others require you to be unable to work in any occupation. Choosing the wrong definition can leave you with partial or no benefits. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time before benefits start. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods increase premiums but give faster support. Matching it to your savings and monthly expenses is critical. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living expenses, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may save money upfront, but could leave you underprotected if a serious disability occurs. Ignoring optional riders is another mistake. It offers riders like residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can reduce flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. It requires full transparency during application and claim processing. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, a disability insurance can provide strong income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Choose the right waiting period, set adequate benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.